Good morning. We're in Roseville, California, in the same home we were in a few minutes ago with the blackout shades. We've come out here to the front of the home. We're showing you a light filtering fabric we've installed here. This is a brand new fabric that's been added to the Norman line, which is called Remy, and the color is Dune. So it's a light filtering fabric. It is private, but still allowing a lot of light in. It's kind of a real neutral, soft beige color, I would call it. It has a little bit of like a white line running through it as well. This particular setup is a sliding door where we've done one shade, and then on the side here we have two windows that are next to it. And what we did was we have installed the roller shades on the windows outside mounted, and the reason we did that was to basically bring the height of the shades to be uniform all the way across. The top of this window is actually a few inches shorter than where we would need to mount the shades on the door. So we just mounted these particular two shades on the sides, outside mount, so that everything is kind of just a nice line flowing all the way across. Visually, it looks really nice. And again, just showing you what these shades look like on a door. We typically do more of the 2-on-1 option for sliders. This particular door is a little bit narrower, so we're able to do one shade. The customer wanted to do this to keep a more consistent feel and to avoid the light gap here in the center. We think it looks great. And again, just showing you how easy, even on a large door, this is super easy. It's not hard. It's gonna go up like that. You can stop it and start it wherever you like. Norman has a really great cordless roller shade system.